making cookies? I thought we were making muffins.
Making muffins.
Which muffins are we making?
Cupcake muffins.
Cupcake? We're making banana muffins.
I want to make cupcake muffins.
You want to make cupcake muffins?
Yeah.
But we have to make the banana ones first.
Okay.
Okay. You ready?
Okay. Look at this.
This? What is that?
It's so crocodile.
What?
It's like a crocodile.
What? Say excuse me. No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay, you ready?
Yes, I am. Give me some.
Okay, can you open that for me?
Sure. What is this?
You got it?
Yes, it is.
1. That's a yucky piece. 2. Ooh. Is that banana?
Yes. Yes. Oh, it was.
What are you saying?
Then,
Yeah, we're gonna blend it. Are you gonna eat it? Is it yummy?
Give me some.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, you gonna blend it for me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Here you go. Oh, dang. Oh my goodness. It's literally spraying everywhere. Ooh.
Making one.
Keep it going round and round. Oh my goodness, did it go in your eye?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm sorry. Oh, she's out, guys. She's out. She's all done. You're not gonna help me anymore?
My chips.
You eat your chips? Are you all done baking?
Here by myself.
Bake by myself? Why?
Cutting with myself.
Oh, okay. Can I eat them all by myself too? You don't want any? You want some muffins? Are you gonna bake with me? Oh, you want me to bring it right there? Okay. Bye. Love you. Oh, put on.